from here. This is Sipan Meat Market here in Glendale. They have really good kebab meat, this place. Then later we're going to the other place to get the cucumber and other stuff for the shirashi. These are the meat. So we're going to the kebab here. Going to get the kebab. This is kebab, right? Then kebab.
Yeah.
Kebab and you want to try the ribs? You want to try the ribs, Josh? Hi.
I know.
You want to try the ribs?
Where?
Here or lamb. It's a beautiful day. It's Sunday and we are going to barbecue. Look at the bougainvillea. Going to the garden to harvest some oranges and lime to for the cucumber and tomato salad. So this one. This one is lime too, but it's like turning yellow now, like a lemon. But this is lime. It's just like ripe. This one too. I probably harvest like 5 limes and 2 lemons. That should be good. A lot of bees, as you can see from here. Still a little green but soft already, so I'll get one. So I have 2 here, plus like, so these are the lemons and these are the limes. So I have 6. I think this should be good. We have another lemon tree here. This one. I think some of them are ready. Oh, they're actually like super ripe and turning brown. Okay. I'll get one from there. Get this one too. Here's my harvest, the lemons and limes. Let's prepare the meat. So here's what we got yesterday. We have 2 pounds of shish kebab, and then 1.5 pounds chicken kebab. This is chicken size. This one is beef roast. This is not for like today, so this is for stewing. We got this from there too. And then we have ikibir. So this is what we are preparing today. The pork or ikibir, shish kebab, and then chicken, and whatever, and the leftover we can eat them tomorrow for like lunch. Since lunch during weekday is always like rush, sometimes we just eat whatever is on the fridge. And then chicken, and then a little bit of ikibir. You can just warm this on the Ninja air fryer. And then the ikibir, but the ikibir are probably like, we'll just cook half because this is a lot already. So half of this. And then we're going to have dinner in the backyard garden. This is very yummy. I like ikibir. So the chicken first, and then the pork, and then the beef, and the veggies.
into the grill.
Oh, looks very, very pretty. We are using this lavash flatbread. Let's prepare our cucumber and tomato salad. Dice these tomatoes too. So they all have been washed. Now moving on to the lime. So this is the lime, this is lime too, and then this is lemon. The lime is like really sour. The other one, the lemon, is not as sour as lime. So the lemon is a eureka lemon. The variety is eureka. The lime is like bear's lime. So let's mix. I think that should be enough. And then red onion. So let's do half. I think half should be enough. Here's our Shirazi. Now let's add salt and peppercorn. And then later I'm going to add cilantro. And then right now I need to harvest some green onions. Let's go back to the garden to harvest some green onions. We have green onions growing all over the garden, but this is where I always harvest. Like this. They are starting to flower, like this one. And this. Green onions. Look at this. So I'm going to get some to put on the vase. Here's what we're having. Shirazi, the eggplant caviar, and then the kebab. So we have the shish kebab, the beef kebab, the chicken kebab, and then the ikibir.
Cheers. Cheers, Mom.
Cheers. Let's do one for me. Cheers.
So we're eating Persian food.
Which one do you prefer?
Beer. Beer is always my favorite.
Yeah.